Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you step by step how to use JotForm, one of the easiest online form builders available today. By the end of this video you will know exactly how to create your own pipeline or forms, share them and collect response all without any coding. Whether you need a contact form, registration form or even a simple survey, JotForm makes the process fast and simple. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you just need to understand what is JotForm. First, what is JotForm? JotForm is an online form builder that allows you to create professional forms for websites, social media, emails, and more. It is perfect for contact forms, surveys, job applications, event registration, payment forms, and much more. You can design and publish, and also you can collect response without writing a single line of code. So I hope you understand what actually it is. So now we are going to create a free JotForm account. This is really easy to create an account. To get started, you just need to go to this jotform.com. Then here you will get the options for sign up for free. When you are new and you just want to create an account, you just need to go over here. Then you just need to provide your email address over that place. So I already have an account here, that's why I am going to click to the login. Once I click over here, then I will choose Google, then I will select my address and then click to the continue, and it will redirect us to our JotForm dashboard. So when you can sign up using your email or connect with Google or Facebook for quick curve access, JotForm offers a free plan which is perfect for beginners and small projects. Now we are going to build our first form. So here you can see this is our dashboard and they are telling us create your first form. Create a blank form or choose from selected template and start gathering. This is the template we already have. So once you are signed in, click the create form button over here. As you can see, let's scroll, remove this one and just click over here create. Once you click over here, then you will have options like here. Then here you can see how would you like to start. Create smart forms, collect and manage data, automate workflows and stay organized all in one place. So I'm going to click onto the form. Once I click over here, then here you will have four options. As you can see it, start from as scratch, then use the template, then import form. Also these two you have is smart PDF form and then e-signs form. So for this tutorial we will start from scratch. So now choose your form layout, just click over here. Then here you can see we have couple of options called classic forms, so all questions on one page, and card form actually is shows one questions per page, perfect for mobile. Let's start with classic form for now. So I will select classic form and then let's start classic form now, and then we are going to build form and walk it through. In the form builder you can see that we are getting a message that's organized setting. You can keep it or you can remove it, and now here you can see that in the form you are allowed to see drag your first question here from the left. So this is the element, just open this element over here and you just need to drag it drop fields from the left panel. You can add short text fields, drop down multiple choice options or field uploads, and rearrange or remove fields with a simple click. Let's quickly create a basic form. So I will add for name here. Let's find it out, name. So let's go and try to find it. Here you can see this is the full name. So I will place it here. Then I am going to place email over that place. Let's place it here. Then I am going to go with the phone number, then place it here. As you can see how easy the process, you just need to drag it drop here, and then I am going to add an message form. So long text, let's place it here, and now I think it is okay. I am going to make a simple one. That is the reason I made this one. I think it is completely okay. So now if you want to show the properties, you are allowed to show it. Here you can see it how easy the process was. So you can change the level element, you can fill level, then you can make it require then you can make it unrequired, whatever you want. So it is that simple. So once you feel that it's complete and it now looks really good, now you just need to do customize from the design. Now let's make the form look better. You just need to click on the form designer icon on the right side. Here you can see this is the form designer. You just select this one, and then here you can change color and fonts. Here you can see this is the color scheme, so you can see it. As you can see it, I think this one probably good. Yeah, its color is so much lighting and really amazing. So I will click to this one, and then you can add background image also. Let's click to the style. Here you can see button style, you can choose style. Let's click this one. I think this one will be good. Then you can add or inject custom CSS over here. It's really amazing. Then we have this theme option. So here you can see default theme. This is the clever theme. You can choose your theme from that place. Let's use this theme, and here actually you can see that the theme is implemented, so I'm going to use this one. And then you have layout option, so you can make it card from, you can make it classic from. So I am going to make it classic from. So here I'm going to click to the classic from. Okay, let's again try to do it. Just click over here, use start from scratch, classic from. So as you can see, we already banished all work. That is the problem. So here we just need to paste it again, then try to email, phone, long text. You can see it how easy the process was. Now you just need to click to this one. Whenever you want to select any element, you can select it. Just now click to the properties and you can change all the things here. As you can see that we change our level. Then if you want to change whole form design, you just need to select this one, and then eventually you can do whatever changes you want in your design. With just a few clicks, you can match the form designer to your brand or website style. So now we are going to talk about form setting and integrations. So now click to the setting tab at the top. Here you can see this is the setting tab, and in setting you can change the form title and descriptions. Here you can see this is the title. Then you have form status, you can change it from that place. Then you can enable or disable email notifications, and you can add condition, for example show or hide fields based on answer. You can also integrate your form with other tools like Google Sheet, PayPal, Stripe, or email marketing platform. So once you find out that like your form is ready, you just need to click to the publish. Here you just need to come over here, publish, and you will see multiple options to share your form. You can see that there is a shareable with link. Copy the direct link. You just need to copy the link, and let's see is it really working, the link or not. Just search it, and here eventually you can see that our link is working. Then you can embed the form into your website. So open in new tab. Here you will get these options also. Share form. Here you can share it as a QR code, then you can share it as an template, you can share it on X, and many more. Then you have this create AI agent for you. Then you can share by email or social media. Anyone with the link can now fill out your form, and their response will automatically be saved in your JotForm account. So viewing your response, like to view your form submission, go back to your JotForm dashboard and click on submission for the form you created. So let's come back to this JotForm, and then eventually you will get the options called subscriptions, submissions. Let's find it out. Send, or here let's go to this panel BG, and here you will find out the options. It is not available here right now. Let's see where it is. Okay, where you can view all response in a table format. Then you are allowed to download submission as Excel, CSV, or PDF file. Then you are allowed to receive email notification when someone fills out the form. It's that easy to manage and collect the data. So let's give you a final tip. That is, here are a few final tips. So here is a few final tips that JotForm offers hundreds of pre-made templates to save time. Then you can create payment forms to accept online payments. With mobile-friendly design, your forms looks great on any device. And that's it. You are just learn how to create and share your first form with JotForm step by step. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you want me to cover advanced JotForm features like payment forms, conditional logics, or approval workflows. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.